Children, welcome back to your online classes. I am your science teacher Neelima Singh. Today we will start our new lesson number 5. States of matter, solid, liquid and gas. So first you listen carefully. Matter is made up of particles. It exists in 3 states, namely solid, liquid and gas. Matter is anything that has a weight and occupies space. The different states of matter are due to different arrangement of particles of matter. So today we will start. The matter is 3 types solid. So first we will take solid. See children, here solid. The solid state the particles of matter are very close to each other. So the particles hold each other very tightly. That is, there is a strong force of attraction between them. As a result, solid have a definite shape and a definite volume. Next one is liquid. The particles are packed closely together, but they are much further apart than the particles in solids, and so the force of attraction is weaker than it is in solid. Therefore, liquid have a definite volume, but they do not have a definite shape. They take up the shape of the container in which we kept milk. If we will kept in milk in glass, it will take the shape of the glass, or mug, it will take the shape of the mug. Liquid thing, milk, water, oil, etc. Now see, next one is gases. The particles of matter are very far away from each other. In gases, the particles are very far from each other, and so the force of attraction between them is very weak. Thus, gases have neither a definite shape and nor a volume. They can fill the entire space or volume of a container. Now, see the book. So, see children book. All the objects you see around yourself are made up of materials. All materials contain matter. Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. Like you can see that a book occupies space and has a weight. Water has weight and it occupies space in the vessel holding it. Air also has a weight and it occupies space. So, what is matter made up of? Matter is made up of a tiny particles called molecules. For example, a piece of wood is made up of a many molecules. So, a piece of wood made up of a many molecules. The drop of water has many molecules. So, the molecules are the smallest substance that make matter. So, the smallest substance will make a matter. States of matter. I told you that matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. You see many objects around you. So, first we will take our solid. So, you see many objects around you. Most of them are hard and generally remain as they are. Example, you see a table made up of wood, plastic or iron. You will never see a table made up of soft material. It is made up of a hard material because it needs to be hard. Such hard things have a shape and fixed volume and are called solids. The molecules in solids are tightly packed. Some solids might change shape by application of force. Some solids can be bent or broken by applying the force. So, here the molecules are tightly packed. Next one is liquid. Water, milk and lemonade are all liquids. So, see the picture here. So, see the picture here. Lemonades, milk, molecules in a liquid. So, water, milk and lemonade are all liquids. We see that they do not have any fixed shape. They take the shape of the vessel holding them. So, they are taking the shape of the material. Liquid is that state of matter which does not have a fixed shape but has a fixed volume. Here the molecules are not packed as tightly as in solid. So the molecules of liquid are not tightly packed. Liquid can be poured and can flow. Liquid are also called fluids. So they can flow. Gases. We can feel wind blowing but we cannot see it. So when the wind can blow, we can feel it, that wind is blowing. We see the smoke coming out of the cooker when we cook the food. These are all examples of gases, state of matter. Gases have no fixed volume and no fixed shape. The molecules in gases are very loosely packed, so they can flow easily. You might have noticed that the smell of a perfume spread in a room. This is because it is a gas and the molecules of gas flow to every corner. So, the smell is flow to the every corner. So, see the here picture children, solid, liquid and gas. The arrangement of molecules, comparison of the states of matter, we will see properties solid, liquid, gases. The arrangement of molecules in solid is tightly packed and fixed shape and a fixed volume, and the ability to flow, it cannot flow. In liquid, the molecules arrangement is very loosely packed and they have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume and can flow. In gases, the molecules arrangements are very loosely packed and they not have a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. The ability of flow can flow easily than liquid. So we understand by the smell of the gas. So children, small questions I am asking you. What is matter? So matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Listen carefully. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. What are the three states of matter? Yes, anybody? Yes, the three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas.